call this nigga hashtag blessed. Niggas hoes on my dick, cause I'm fly like a jet. They gon' be surprised when they see I made this beat, baby Chifu and Kanye West. As long as the hoe outside with the zoo shit never see home. 26 clubs to squad, we out to the odds. How that's unknown. None of the ops ever answer the phone. Our month is porcelain, come out his home. I'm the type of nigga take a bad bitch sale and leave all type of dick pics in the phone. Y'all made a nigga say fuck the streets, these kids ain't got no structure. Don't leave your bitch in a room with me.
Warning, all stunts performed in this video were done by trained professionals with medical on standby. Do not attempt anything you see in this video.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. We better go.
We better go on the jet ski on the lake. Thunder's gonna be strapped up, and we're gonna hit some stuff. Alright boys, so last summer, if y'all watch the videos, there's a rope swing that we used to hit every single day. And someone took it down, but we just came back here and it's fully set up. So we're gonna go up there and test if it's sturdy or not. Alright boys, I'm up here. Sketchy rope used to be perfect hanging from there. This big huge platform, now we got whatever this is. I guess for the sends, we're about to have to do a backflip off this, ain't that right?
Yep.
Hey, ready? All right, that was Randy's turn.
Yep. We got Reed about to hit this rope swing. I'm gonna go first. Whenever I'm done, pull up the rope to like right there. Hey! Alright boys, we just got back to the dock, but there's a fence and camera up, so we're just gonna full send. Yep. Hey! Oh, the camera's facing on the dock. It's facing that way.
We're on the dock. Where's the camera? We gotta hide our faces. Jump off.
Hit a gainer, bro. Hit a gainer. Hit a gainer. Go. Go.
We're back. The alarm just went off. We instantly dipped. The footage is gone. We didn't record it, but we dipped. But we're back to the rope swing. We're gonna hit a backflip. Alright, ready?
Woo! Bro, it's 20K likes to make this guy crawl on that canal. Oh, he's dead.
Alright boys, last time we're going off. I don't know if y'all can see. There's two handles. Me and Randy, me and Hunter. We're about to hold on to each handle and see if we hit each other or not. Ready?
Yeah. Go.
Alright boys, we are off the jet skis. Currently gonna dock them off real quick. Alright boys, literally in the middle of nowhere. Let me unplug my phone. Literally just drove. Okay, but directions were given to me and I followed them 40 minutes away and we're about to go jump off this waterfall. Yeah, enjoy. Literally in the middle of climbing a waterfall right now. High up right now. My camera can't tell. We're literally scaling up the waterfall. This is lit. This is the first waterfall of, we have 2 waterfalls we're going to. This is the first one. Ooh. And then the second one's supposed to be a lot better, so.
It weed, them never did.
Spot 2 completed. My leg is dead right now. We're dipping, but we're about to go to a cool little outlook and check it out.
Me dig out me stinking rocky luncher, and in all the head is spent the helicopter. Me turn, yeah. Summer ganja planter, call me the ganja farmer. Deep down into the earth where me put the ganja. Babylon coming like the top on fire. Me turn, yes I'm a ganja planter. Call me the ganja farmer. Deep down into the earth where me put the ganja. Babylon coming like the top on fire. True Jaja bless I will not for good boys man. To room me at the others with the ganja panny land. Make doctors kidnap medics.
Boys, this place don't even feel real right now. We're under this little jump. I did mess my leg up a little bit, so I'm not going to jump, but I'll record so you guys can see us jump. Obviously, we jumped more than we got on camera. There were just other people, so we were just hanging out with them. But yeah, there's no one here now, so we're just going to record. You know, I'll record them jumping off the waterfall or the cliff.
I'll need a ganja farmer. Deep down into the earth where me put the ganja. Babylon coming like the top on fire. Me turn. Yes, I'm a ganja planter. Call me the ganja farmer. Deep down into the earth where me put the ganja. Babylon coming like the top on fire. And me na ganja, ganja. If you don't want to call it that, call it sensimania. If you don't want to call it that, call it marijuana. If you don't want to call it that, call it that indie. Coffee come me born it in the chalice, mash it in the paper. Lord, that's how me love me ganja. Ganja planter, call me the ganja farmer. Deep down into the earth where we put the ganja. Babylon coming like the top on fire. Me turn. Yes, I'm a ganja planter. Call me the ganja farmer. Deep down into the earth where we put the ganja.
Just jumped off this crazy, cool little spot. And yeah, gotta go dry off. My hair's cooked. My leg is so done for. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe. Alright boys, I'm on the way back home. Sorry, I'm gonna turn the volume down. I'm on the way back home. It was a lit sesh that we just had today. It was a lot of fun. But yeah, sorry, this is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, comment what you want me to do next. Subscribe.